All right, and welcome to our little video on how to create new buttons for your program. When you first log in, you look at a screen like this. What you want to do is go to your Groups tab right up here. And I've created other groups for this demonstration purpose, but originally you'll just have the default group as listed below. Well, you want to go over to your Buttons link, click on Buttons, and then these would be your default buttons, the red and yellow for security and support. Now what I'm going to show you is how to create a new button, but the same principles apply if you're going to edit it. So instead of clicking Add, you would just click Edit if you wanted to change anything, any existing buttons. So I'm going to create a new button by clicking the plus, and we're going to call this Med Alert. Let's just say you want to create a program for, or a button for medical alerts, and we're going to give it, let's say, L, Control, Alt to set it off. That'll be the hotkeys, and you saw how I changed that. Now to pick the icon, you just click the icon and you just choose one. I'll go with blue. So now we've created an alert, a new button called Medical Alert, and what we need to do now is create alerts and emails. Alerts are the desktop pop-up flashing things. So I'll click on Alerts, and again we see the same screen where there's the plus sign, the pencil, and the trash can. There are no alerts in here, so we need to create one, and we'll call this Med Alert, and we'll just write help. These are just empty memo fields, so you can write anything you want in there, how you customize it. Now we want to choose the receivers for the alerts, and remember, alerts are the desktop pop-up flashing things, not the emails or text messages. These are just the pop-up alerts. Well, you could choose them individually right here or as a group. For instance, if you want to assign a group, we click Groups, and there's no groups assigned, so again we click the plus, and we have different groups that you can choose from. I'll click Security Team. What this did is it grabbed everybody from the security team and put them in the recipients list. So here we go, we got Tom Waits and Tommy Ramone from the security team. But if you want to add it someone else, just someone as an individual under this recipients window, then you click the plus sign. Let's see, I want to pick Joey Ramone, add him in there as well, and now he's added. What we've done then for this alert called Medical Alert, the recipients are Tom Waits, Tommy Ramone, and Joey Ramone. May they all rest in peace, except for Tom Waits, he's still alive. All right, so what we want to do then is create some emails. Emails are really simple. You just, again, click on the email link, click the plus sign, and then just add in an email. I'll just write whatever email I can think of right now, help.com, and whatever we want to put in here, such as that. Now, if you wanted to have multiple emails, then you add a semicolon, and then the next one, help.com, just like you've created any other email. If you wanted to create a text message, it is also an email. You click plus, and this is where you can enter in a text message if you wish. And the way you do that is you enter in the 10-digit number plus the carrier's extension, and there's a whole list in this in our help menu that explains it. I use Verizon, so I'm putting in vtext for Verizon's help again, and here we have emails going out, and up here we have text messages going out. And there we go, we've created the red, the red and yellow are already there, but we have the new blue one. So we close that out, we check to see, do we want to push this out to the rest of the group? Yes, we do. And I'll just check myself here. I'll go to the default group under the Users tab, and right now the system I'm on is OS 8. So I'll check my buttons, and boom, I have that new button, and it's going to have the alerts that I created. However, if you look down at my screen down in the bottom right by my Wi-Fi signal, it still has the old buttons. You need to update it. Either it's going at rebooting it, or it's going to check like once a day it'll update, or just real quick manually you can right click and select refresh profile. Refreshed, boom, there's my new medical alert button. So I hope that was pretty clear on how that worked. If you have any other questions, please contact us. Thank you so much, and thanks for using the program. Bye-bye.